Inside this high-security factory, premium 24K gold begins its journey toward a remarkable luxury smartphone. Every shipment is verified before the precious material enters the controlled production area. The shipment now moves directly into the factory's secure receiving area. Inside are securely packed batches of refined 24K gold. Each gold batch is handled carefully and documented throughout the transfer.
The shipment weight is recorded before the gold enters production.
Every batch receives a traceable identification before processing begins. The raw material is inspected for purity, markings, and physical condition. An XRF analyzer verifies the gold composition before manufacturing begins.
The verified gold is measured and prepared for controlled melting.
Controlled induction heating transforms the solid bullion into molten gold. Controlled induction heating transforms the solid bullion into molten gold. The molten gold enters a controlled casting system to create workable blanks. Once solidified, each gold blank is measured against its production specification. The measured gold blank now enters precision CNC machining. Precision milling removes excess material and establishes the phone's exact exterior geometry. The rough blank is gradually transformed into the recognizable smartphone form. Precision cavities are cut to accommodate the internal electronic architecture. Even the smallest openings are machined to tight production tolerances. The newly machined gold shell leaves the CNC cell for precision inspection. A coordinate measuring machine verifies the housing's critical dimensions. After dimensional inspection, the gold shell is checked for surface imperfections. Controlled finishing removes machining marks while preserving the precise geometry. Successive polishing stages gradually create the luxury reflective finish.
The final buffing stage brings out the deep reflective appearance of the gold.
Ultrasonic cleaning removes microscopic polishing residue from the finished gold shell.
After cleaning, the polished housing is completely dried before final inspection. The polished gold exterior must pass a detailed cosmetic inspection.
While the gold shell is being finished, the smartphone electronics are assembled separately.
Thousands of tiny electronic components are positioned with automated precision. A controlled reflow process permanently bonds the electronic components to the circuit board. Automated optical inspection checks every critical electronic connection.
Approved boards are powered and electrically tested before final assembly.
The display module begins as precision-cut, high-strength glass.
The glass edges are precisely finished for safe integration into the phone housing.
Each display panel is inspected for optical and surface quality. The camera system is assembled separately, using microscopic precision. Automated calibration aligns the camera optics before installation. The battery module is assembled and checked under controlled production conditions. Before installation, the battery passes electrical safety testing. A rigid internal frame provides the mounting structure beneath the luxury gold exterior. The finished gold housing finally reaches the main smartphone assembly line. The internal structure is aligned precisely inside the finished gold body.
The tested logic board is mounted and connected inside the gold chassis.
The tested battery is fitted and connected to the main electronics. The calibrated camera system is carefully installed into the gold chassis. Smaller modules and flexible connections complete the phone's internal architecture. Every connector is checked before the display closes the assembly. A precision adhesive system prepares the display for final installation. Optical alignment ensures the display sits perfectly within the gold frame. The display is seated into the finished gold body under controlled pressure. The external controls are fitted and checked for smooth mechanical movement. The camera area receives its final protective and decorative components. The polished 24K gold exterior receives its final precision cleaning before testing begins. Automated equipment checks touch response and display performance across the entire screen. The solid gold iPhone 17 camera system is calibrated and verified after final assembly. Audio components are measured for consistent performance.
The solid gold iPhone 17 now undergoes controlled wireless connectivity and antenna testing.
Charging performance is carefully measured on the completed solid gold iPhone 17. Thermal monitoring verifies the operating behavior of the completed solid gold iPhone 17.
The solid gold iPhone 17 undergoes its final mechanical tolerance inspection.
Every surface of the polished solid gold iPhone 17 is inspected under controlled lighting. The solid gold iPhone 17 receives its final optical and surface cleaning.
The completed solid gold iPhone 17 is verified against its complete factory inspection record.
The solid gold iPhone 17 receives its final quality control approval. A custom protective presentation box is prepared for the approved solid gold iPhone 17. The approved solid gold iPhone 17 is carefully placed into its custom presentation box.
The solid gold iPhone 17 is surrounded by its carefully organized final packaging.
The solid gold iPhone 17 passes its final packaging inspection. The solid gold iPhone 17 is securely sealed inside its premium presentation box. The sealed solid gold iPhone 17 reaches the final presentation area. The complete transformation into the solid gold iPhone 17 is now finished.
The completed solid gold iPhone 17 is securely delivered to its luxury retail destination.
The solid gold iPhone 17 reaches the showroom, where a customer chooses to purchase it.
The solid gold iPhone 17 is finally in the customer's hands. Like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury manufacturing videos.